Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Power by Slicers searchable, a simple tweak that'll save you a ton of time and make your reports way easier to use, especially when you're dealing with massive data sets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add that handy search box to your slicers, turning a tedious scrollfest into a quick and smooth experience. Let's get right into it. First things first, open up Power by, either your desktop app or Power by service, whichever you're using for your report. Make sure you're working with the file or dataset where you want to add the searchable slicer. If you haven't worked with slicers before, these are the visual filters that allow users to quickly narrow down data by selecting certain values, like dates, categories, or products. Next, you'll want to pick which parameter or field you want to filter on. For example, maybe you have a large list of customer names, product SKUs, or even city locations. Find that field in your Fields pane, then select it, and at the top menu under Visualizations, click on Slicer. This will drop a slicer box onto your report canvas with your chosen field. It's a great start, but let's make it even smarter. Now, here's the part a lot of folks miss. To make your slicer searchable, you first need to click on the actual slicer visual you just placed. You'll notice three small dots in the top right corner, sometimes called the More Options or Ellipsis menu. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a drop-down menu pop up, and right there you should see an option called Search. Click Search, and instantly your slicer is upgraded. A search bar appears right above your data values inside the slicer visual. So why is this search feature so important? Let's pause for a second and think about that. Imagine your dataset has thousands, maybe even tens of thousands of items, like employee names, product codes, or country entries. Without that search function, you or your report users would have to painstakingly scroll through a huge list, scanning for a single name or item, and it quickly becomes frustrating and time-consuming. With search enabled, all you have to do is start typing and bam, you're right where you need to be in a second or two. This function is honestly a lifesaver when you're working with large datasets. Just think about it, if you've ever tried to find your name in a guest list with 5,000 people, you get it. Scrolling forever is nobody's idea of a good time. But with that tiny search bar, suddenly it's as easy as typing a few letters and making your selection. And that's it. Your Power by Slicer is now searchable, making it way more user-friendly. This small change can make a huge difference in how your report is used and received, especially by colleagues or clients who might not be as patient with long lists. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. If you have any questions, run into any issues, or want to see more Power by tips, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you all. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.